Have you ever found a great online website, but you had no way to write it down? Or maybe you were working on a presentation at school only to realize that you didn't have your USB drive to save it. Well, Edmodo has a library feature that you can use to save files and access later. The library link is in the blue bar at the top of your home page. When I select the library, I come to a page that says Backpack. Now this is sort of like your backpack that you bring to school, except it's a virtual backpack, so you can add more to it than just books and paper. I'm going to select Add to Backpack, and just like we saw when we learned how to send a post, or we see that we can add files and we can also add links. So I'm going to add a link to the Jackson Heights website. I've added the link, and now when I hit title of the web page, it'll generate the title of our web page, and I can hit Add to Backpack, and now the link to the Jackson Heights web page is in my backpack. If your backpack starts to get full of a lot of links and files, you're going to need to have a way to organize it. And we can do that by adding folders. You'll notice that you have either folders that you create, which are called My Folders, or folders that are shared with me. These would be folders that your teachers share with you. So we're going to create a folder, and we're going to call it Math. You can actually create as many folders as you would like. So I have created my Math folder, and I'm going to take my link to the Jackson Heights website, and I'm going to move it, or actually make a copy of it, and put it in my Math folder. Now I can share folders with you, and I have shared a few so far. Right now you can access my Chapter 1 PowerPoints, extra credit folder, which will have some extra credit in it for September, foldables, and online games. I want to show you how you can take a file from my folder and move it to yours. So I'm going to go to Foldables, and I'm going to select How to Print a Foldable, and over here where it says Folder, I'm going to select Math and Apply. And now when I come back to My Folders and I hit Math, the How to Print a Foldable is now in my Math folder.